Good evening. Penalties for drinking and driving will become a lot tougher for offenders. Thanks for joining us for 2 News at 5. I'm Heidi Hatch.
And I'm Mark Cabell. The new law going into effect Thursday that will restrict people with extreme DUI convictions. That is anybody convicted with a blood alcohol content 0.16 and higher from buying alcohol.
Leslie Duarte spoke to the lawmakers that wrote this bill and also the victims who supported it. So Leslie, what did they tell you?
Mark, Heidi, I spoke to Art Brown, whose grandson was killed in a DUI crash when he was just 4 months old. Art Brown says that had this law been in place at that time, his grandson may still be here today.
Pain and grief cannot be spoken.
Matthew Affleck was just 4 months old when he was killed in a DUI crash in 1999.
They were going home from a play, my family, and somebody was in a bar. They served him 21 drinks over a couple of hours. He left there and hit my family.
That grief led his grandfather, Art Brown, to join MAD, Mothers Against Drunk Driving.
This law is important because if that person had been refused alcohol as a multiple drunk driver, I may not be in this chair today.
Brown is talking about a new law that aims to prevent drunk driving. What problem did you see that convinced you that this law was necessary?
Well, basically, it's just the multiple offenses we have on DUIs.
Starting January 1st, people who are convicted of an extreme DUI case will be restricted from buying alcohol.
We've been trying to solve it the same way for a long while. It has not worked,
says lawmaker Jerry Stevenson, who co-sponsored the law. The law gives a judge the discretion to place someone in the interdictive category, which means a person's driver's license will be marked with no alcohol sales. Who will this law apply to?
It'll identify the people who are going before a judge multiple times.
This law will also allow people to voluntarily classify themselves in this category. In addition, the law will require everyone's IDs to be checked for buying alcohol. What message are you trying to send with this law?
The message that we want to send with any law that deals with DUI is don't drink and drive. Overuse, irresponsible drinking of alcohol is really not acceptable in any form in the state of Utah. Lawmakers
I spoke to who wrote the law say an extreme DUI case is anyone found with 3 times or more the legal alcohol limit. Reporting in Salt Lake City, Leslie Duarte, KUTV 2 News.